Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 153 of Surah Al Imran. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إذ تصعدون ولا تلبون على أحد والرسول يدعوكم في أخراكم فأثابكم غما بغم لكي لا تحزنوا على ما فاتكم ولا ما أصابكم والله خبير بما تعملون. إذ for kasra give e sound, dal will get rakhawa and it is light. إذ tus, ta is light. For dhamma, circle your lips. The ta is very sharp here, and sod will be heavy. There will be rakhawa and there will be safir. So many things are going on together, so pay attention. Tus, oi for ain, for kasra give e sound. And ain should be from your throat. The sound is very short. Oi, do is 2 count song. Circle your lips very well. Na, short. For wow, circle your lips. Fatha, open your jaws. Wow, sound is very short. La, 2 counts long. Tel, ta is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Tel, woo is 2 counts long. Circle your lips for wow. Circle your lips for dhamma. So circling your lips is very compulsory here. Woo, na is short. From your throat. La, 4 counts long. Mad munfasil jaiz. Ala. Hamza very sharp. The sound is short. For fatha, open your jaws. For this misty sound should be before fatha. You are getting ready for ha, but as you will touch fatha, the sound should be very short. Ha, dion. For kasra, give e sound. But the idgham, this is idgham, and you're keeping the sound in your nose. This is idgham kamila. So dion. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with ra. Ra will get tawassut, and ra will be heavy here because ra has fatha. War, ra, war, ra. Su is 2 counts long. Lu is short. For su, circle your lips very nicely. For lu, circle your lips very nicely. Sulu. Yad. For ya is very soft. For fatha, open your jaws. Dal will get qalqala and dal will be light. Yad. Ain from your throat. Squeeze your throat as nicely as you can. And for dhamma, circle your lips, and it is 2 counts long. Ru, kum. For dhamma, circle your lips. Attach with me. Mim gets it up. Tawassut. Kum. Fi, give hums. Very nice hums before kasra. This should be before kasra. And kasra will be 4 counts long here because it is mad munfasil jaiz. Fi, for dhamma, circle your lips. For kha, give rakawa. The sound should flow and it is heavy. The sound is heavy, and your lips should be in a straight position when you are touching kha. Ra is 2 counts long and it is heavy. The heavy sound of ra is ra and ru, and for kasra the sound is ri. So there should be very nice difference between heavy ra and light ra. This is heavy here because ra, whenever ra is for fatha or dhamma, it is always heavy. So here ra, and it is 2 counts long too. Ra, kum for the circular lips attached with meme will get zip off. Tawassut, f, there's hums, a, hamza is very sharp, fatha is short, but hums before the hums before fatha is there are little long. F, a, tha, 2 counts long. Ba, very sharp sound, and the sound is very short. For fatha, open your jaws. Ba, kum. For the circular lips, attach with meme, you will get sifa of the wasut. Kum. Gham, ghain is heavy. Attach with meme, we will get sifa of gunna, and this is akmal gunna. Gham. Then this is idgham with gunna. Mam, it is not sound. This is iqlab. 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 So you are changing the sound of this meme and this noon into meme. Gham. Here you are applying gunna. Gham. And then you are changing in original form that was man. Gham, man. But now you are saying man. There's fatha you are applying very nicely, but you are changing that noon sound. It was like this, man, man. But now this is iqlab, that you are changing the sound of meme into a noon into meme. So it is converted like this. Now it is like this, mem. And that iqlab will take the gunna kamila. Mem, B for kasra, give E sound. Gham. This is idgham. This is gunna. This is gunna akmal. Akmal gunna. Because there is meme with tasdeed, so you are creating akmal gunna, the longest gunna. Gham. And then there is a idgham without gunna. MashaAllah, so many rules are being applied. Okay, B, gham, this is gunna, akmal. Then this is idgham without gunna. Nilli. Okay, so I'm saying it again. Gham, this is gunna kamil akmal. Then there is iqlab. Mam, you have done with iqlab. Then D is very short. Gham, this ghain is heavy. And there is gunna akmal. Gham. Then nilli for kasra, give E sound. And idgham is very short because there is no gunna. Nilli. Li for kasra, give E sound. Kay, 2 counts long. Because this is lean. Harf lean. Kay, la, 2 counts long. Tah, ta is very sharp, very short. For fatha, open your jaws. Give ha rakhawa. Very nice rakhawa. Tah, z, there is a Z sound, no S sound. Z for fatha, open your jaw. No, 2 counts long. Tah, zanu. Ain from your throat for fatha, open your jaws. Lam is 2 counts long and lam is light. La, ma, 2 counts long. Fa, 2 counts long, and give hums, very nice hums before fatha. Fa, ta is short. Kum for the circular lips attached with me. We will get sifa of the wasut. Wa for circular lips for fatha, open your jaws. La, 2 counts long. Ma, 4 counts long. A, hamza is very sharp. So it is heavy and it is 2 counts long. So ba is short. Kum for the circular lips attached with me. We will get sifa of the wasut. Kum. Wallahu for wow circular lips attached with lam. Lam will be heavy because of fatha before it. Wow will be light, but lafz jalala's lam will be heavy. Wallah, 2 counts long. Who for the circle your lips. Kha, kha is heavy for fatha open your jaws. The sound is very short. Kha, b is 2 counts long. Urum, this is iqlab. So after tanween, if you find hatba, you are making you are changing the sound of noon into mim, and this is called iqlab. And iqlab will get sifa of gunna, and that will be kamil gunna. Kamil gunna. Khabirun bi for kasra give e sound. Ma 2 counts long. Ta is very sharp for fatha open jaws attached with ain. Ain will get sifa of the wasud, and ain should be from your throat. Give a nice squeeze to your throat to pronounce this ain. Ta, but the flow of this tawassut should be in a one level. If it shouldn't fluctuate, if it fluctuates, it creates what? Creates qalqala. Da, ma is short. Loon, 4 counts long, and give tawassut on noon because you are going to give sukoon because of the baq here. تعملون إذ تصعدون ولا تلوون على أحد والرسول يدعوكم في أخراكم فأثابكم غما بغم لكي لا تحزنوا على ما فاتكم ولا ما أصابكم والله خبير بما تعملون. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.